Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows audio device graph isolation is causing high CPU usage on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to disable audio enhancements. And how would you do that? Right click on the system tray and select sound settings. Scroll down and select more sound settings. Okay, and then right click on each of the audio input and output devices and check if you have an enhancement section. This one doesn't, so we'll check the other one. Yes, it does. So there's something called as disable audio enhancements. Check this box, click on apply and then on OK. Check this box, disable audio enhancements, click on apply and then on OK. Okay, the next solution will be, I'll show you, to update audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And then you can expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click and update the driver. Right click and update the second driver. Right click and update the third driver. Right click and update the fourth driver, and right click and update all drivers present on your computer, the audio ones. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay. And then click on next. Select full scan. Click on next and let the scan run through. You can keep working meanwhile. And the last solution is obviously to update Windows to the latest version. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.